Welcome to January and the Restore Reset month. Today I'm going to talk about how to use your products at home in a way where you're going to get the best outcome for your skin without the unwanted irritation. So the reason why I'm asking people to do the Restore Reset is so often we are using more products and products more frequently than is actually good for our skin. And I think we're told that more is better and the more you can afford and the more you use, the better the outcome. But that's not the case. Just like with Botox and filler and lasering, we've all seen it go wrong. The same thing is true with your products. Too much can be a really bad thing. So right now I want you to focus on using fewer products, but then when you go back to adding in your treatments, your vitamin C in the morning and your retinol, your glycolic acid at night, I want you to do it in a thoughtful way so that you get the best result possible. My job as a dermatologist, the way I am judged, is how good I can make people's skin look. The problem with the beauty industry is those companies are judged on how many products they can sell. And so often they're pushing you to use more products and to use their products more frequently than actually is going to benefit you. My job is to create a skincare regimen for each one of my patients that's going to give them the best possible skin. So let's go through my skincare regimen and talk about some of my favorite products that actually on the packaging tell you to use it more than I recommend. In the morning, you should splash your face with water. Very few people should wash their face twice a day. And when you wash your face, you don't need very much product. We're talking about a dime to a nickel size amount, and that's it. If you use more than that, it's gonna over dry your skin. After you wash your face, you put on your antioxidant. This is my favorite. It's made by Skin Better. It's called the Alto Defense Serum, and it's a beautifully formulated product that's incredibly effective. The problem is the packaging encourages you to use it twice a day, both morning and night. You don't need to use it twice a day. You only need to use it in the morning when it's going to make the biggest difference in fighting the free radicals of the sun and of pollution. At night, it's an unnecessary added step, and exposing your skin to high levels of acid, which is what vitamin C is, ascorbic acid, can increase your risk of being irritated and make it less likely you can tolerate other treatments like the retinol or the glycolic acid, which is an important part of keeping your skin beautiful. So it says twice a day, you only use it once a day. After that, you apply your moisturizer. For most people, I recommend either my face cream or my face lotion. Both of those can be used on your face, around your eyes, on your neck, the whole area. So often face creams say on them in their directions, after cleansing and toning and applying any PCA skin treatment serums, smooth this onto your skin. Well, they're trying to get you to use all those other products, which you don't need to use. This is a great moisturizer, but all you can do is just use this moisturizer. You don't have to use their cleanser and their toner every time you use this. That's just a way to eat through product, but also irritate your skin. After you put on your moisturizer, then you have to put on your sunscreen. Now, the good news about sunscreens is that their instructions are regulated by the FDA, so they're very clear. They say apply generously and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure and then reapply at least every 2 hours. Now, very few of us reapply our sunscreen every 2 hours unless we're at the beach, but it is important that you use enough of sunscreen, and oftentimes people don't use enough. So this is the one product where I would say most people underutilize it. So use enough to really cover your face and provide a nice protective layer of your zinc oxide. After that, you go through your day, and at night before you go to bed, that's when it's important for you to wash your face. And again, you don't need very much, small amount. With my face wash, I really just use a dime, and that clears off all of my makeup and just the grime of the day. After that, that's when you use your treatment, and your treatment is the things that promote cell turnover. So those are your glycolic acid, those are your peeling masks, those are your retinol. Those products can be really irritating if you use too much of them. So you want to start slow, meaning every other night, very small amount. Your skin cells talk to each other. So when you put on your retinol at night, you might only put a little bit here, 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 and here, and rub it in. And patients are always like, oh, I just can't believe all the skin got it. I'm like, the skin cells talk to each other. A little bit is all you need. It's just enough to sort of activate everybody, get them to turn over. Then you follow that with a nice heavy moisturizer like my face cream, and you go to bed. Now, if you read about retinol, it says you have to wash your face. and then let it dry for 30 minutes, then put on your retinol or your tretinoin and then let it wait for 30 minutes and then apply your moisturizer thereafter. That is true that will increase the penetration of the tretinoin, but it might make the penetration so great it's just going to irritate you. And I personally don't have an hour to spend every night waiting between my steps. So after I wash my face, I dry my face, I put on my tretinoin, I put on my moisturizer, and I move on. And the whole process probably takes me a minute and a half. You just want to make sure your face is dry, and that's enough to decrease your irritation. Following it with a moisturizer also makes it more likely you're going to tolerate your tretinoin and get the best possible results. In addition to the skincare products, oral supplements have also become incredibly popular. And just like the topicals, these oral products that I love and recommend on a regular basis, they both, I think, are too aggressive in their recommendations. So Vital Proteins, collagen peptides have been well studied. They do cause an improvement in fine lines, hydration, and just overall skin texture when you take a half a scoop to sort of 1 scoop a day, meaning you need to take 5 grams to 7.5 grams. This product recommends you take 2 scoops, which is equivalent of 20 grams every day. I would say 50% of my patients who take that quantity have constipation. And the study showed a nice improvement in people's skin using a lot less, so you just don't need to use so much, and then you'll be able to tolerate it better and get the good results. Same thing with this product. Love it. Skin Squad. It's wonderful prebiotics and probiotics for your skin. They want you to take 2 pills a day for at least 12 weeks. Most of my patients get diarrhea if they take 2 pills a day for 4 days. And I see improvement in their skin in even less than that. So for this product, I usually have patients use 1 pill a day for 2 or 3 days. Once their skin starts to look better, I just have them put it in their medicine cabinet and then break it out again if their rosacea or their acne is flaring again. So the take-home point is, don't listen to the beauty industry. Don't listen to the instructions on the box. You really have to listen to yourself and how your skin is behaving, and also get a partnership with a wonderful dermatologist who will help you make the right choices for your skin and not just push products on you, because when you buy products, they make money. It's really about the best outcome for you, and less is more. And as soon as you learn that, be really selective in the products that you use, because that's the best way to figure out what your skin needs and how to get the best possible results. So enjoy your restore reset, enjoy using very few products, then slowly add back in your evening treatment, then your morning antioxidant, and you will find that your skin will respond so much better because it has so much less to process. Also, if you aren't sure how often you should use something, just DM me. I'll answer it. I'm all about clarity, and I really want to help people get the best possible results for their skin. Okay, thank you.